In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a coupon code in Systeme.io. A well-structured coupon can drive sales, reward loyal customers, and help you run time-sensitive promotions without extra manual work. I'll walk you through creating a coupon from start to finish, explain what each setting means, and share practical tips so you choose the right options the first time. Start on your dashboard and open the menu that lists your sales assets. Depending on your workspace layout, you'll find coupons either under Product or Sales or under Assets. Look for the section labeled Coupons and open it. Once you're there, click the Create button in the top right corner to start a new coupon. This opens the configuration screen where you'll define how your discount behaves. Begin with the name. This is an internal label you'll use to identify the coupon later. Customers won't see it. Choose a clear descriptive name that helps you recognize the campaign at a glance. For example, include the promotion, discount type, and time frame so it's easy to manage when you have multiple codes. Next, set the coupon code. This is exactly what your customers will type at checkout. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Something like Save 50 or Spring 20. Sticking to uppercase letters and numbers reduces typos. Avoid spaces or confusing characters, and make sure the code isn't already in use so there's no overlap with older promotions. Choose the coupon type that fits your offer. If you want a specific dollar or currency amount off the price, select fixed amount, such as 10 off. If you want a proportional discount, choose percentage, like 20% off. Systeme.io will apply the discount automatically during checkout based on your selection, so pick the one that aligns with your pricing strategy. If you want to control availability, configure the limit of use. You can cap the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed to create urgency or protect margins. You can also add an expiration date to end the offer on a specific day. If you leave these blank, the coupon remains available indefinitely, which is ideal for evergreen incentives. When everything looks good, click Save. Your coupon is now created and ready to use. You can return to the coupons list anytime to review, edit, or pause it as your campaigns evolve. Share the exact code in your emails, checkout pages, or social posts so customers know what to enter. That's it, your discount is set up and ready to convert. Thanks for watching and happy selling.